What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete friends on Snapchat. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Sometimes you may find yourself wanting to tidy up your Snapchat friend list by removing certain contacts. Whether it's because you no longer communicate with them, or you're just looking to declutter your social circle on the app. First, open your Snapchat application. You'll typically land on the camera screen as you usually do when you open the app. From here, you need to find your Snapchat friends list. To find your friends list, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From here, scroll down until you see the My Friends option. Tap on it to see all your Snapchat friends. To remove a friend, press and hold on their name until a pop-up menu appears. Once the menu is open, tap on their name. This will take you to a page showing your interaction history with that friend. Look for the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will reveal several options. Among these options, select Manage Friendship and you'll find the Remove Friend and Block options. If you choose to block the person, they will no longer be able to contact you on Snapchat, and you won't be able to see any activities from each other. This is a more drastic measure typically reserved for situations where you want to cut off all contact with someone. However, if you simply want to remove someone from your friends list without blocking them, select Remove Friend. Confirm your choice by tapping Remove. This action will instantly delete them from your friends list. After removing the person, if you go back to your My Friends list, you'll notice that they are no longer there. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.